galat. Again this one, bigger one, galat. The small one here, inch, this one. So from position, once you position it perpendicular. Why perpendicular? Because good penetration, good phyla. From here to here take 90 centimeter. It's 2. Okay. So don't go to the lamp, just take it from 5 inches or 5 centimeters. Maybe here 46. Again I can improve something. Okay. So make sure everything is tight and good. Right. Okay. So we assume this is 60. Okay. Now it is coming 50. Okay. 60. So we assume it is 60. The height is 60. Right. So you have positioned the lamp with 60. That is the minimum thing you can have. So before positioning the lamp, what you should do? You have to prepare the area. How we are going to do testing? For testing, because you have to make this kind of cuttings, opening. Why there are different opening? You can see the circle, the triangle as seen in the picture, the same mojo here. Why different cutting? Why I can simply radiate whole area, the whole upper limb? Why I have to do like this?
Because I see circle here, circle here, circle here, and circle another hand. So what difference?
I am going to test only one hand, Mafi two hand. No.
Different.
Different? Different?
Because after
عشان يميزها يعني عن المناطق الثانية.
Different?
after treatment, I see color. I see color.
I see color. Okay. So that is for determining where is your erythema is appear. So we know that is erythema is minimal erythemal dose. That we call it as E1 dose. Okay. So that's why you have to determine which area, which is becoming first color. I apply in this forearm. Okay. I take a strap and I cover. I place it secure. Okay. From the proximal again as well as the distal. Okay. So why I am doing the strapping? Because it should not move. I am making it stabilize. Okay. So during this procedure, tell the patient not to move his limb. Okay. Mafi see into the UVR radiations. Just give the goggle and close eyes. Good. Okay. Right. Then what I tell to the patient, I keep the openings here, different openings, different shape. Why different shape? Because it is easy for identification. That's again important. Why different shape? If everything is square, less mushkila. What is the problem? Everything can be same shape, same size. Why? Why it's different shape, different size? Mafi different size, maybe more or less same size. Different shape. Why?
Because the radiation not coming backward.
No. Why different shape? Why it cannot be same shape?
It just not appear another thing from erythema, some other thing.
Suppose imagine all kullu circle, right? If you ask the patient where is erythema appear first, patient will appear confused. First opening, second opening, last opening. All kullu circle means patient will confuse. Okay. So in order to avoid confusion, you are making it very clear the different shape. That means different shape he remember easy. Okay. So the patient remember easy. Okay. Where the exact erythema appear first or last and again disappear. So that you call it as MED or minimal erythemal dose. Okay. So what you do before doing it, you fix it this different type of opening. Okay. Make it secure and make the other thing which is full. Okay. What do you do? Then you position the lamp. Okay. You position the lamp perpendicular, the distance, exact distance minimum 60 centimeters. Okay. Then again, how you select? Again, you know the operations here. The operations here again, you plug it in. Here you see sun heat. Okay. You switch on to the sun. Right. Then again Before switching it sun, you can set the time, maybe the maximum 3 minutes or 4 minutes at the maximum, not more than that, because you are going to treat only, you are going to do only the testing, not a treatment. So 3 minutes minimum, maximum 4 minutes. Okay, set the time, then again give start, hold this for a few seconds, then leave it. Automatically UVR will come slowly. Okay, so you do like this. Then what I do, I have to remove my watch again. It's contraindication. So I will remove my watch again. Any mobiles, nails, metal, remove everything. Then what I do, I first expose the first opening. This is say opening number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I expose first opening for 30 minutes. Okay, sorry, not 30 minutes, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, then after 30 seconds, what I do, I open the second. Right, again I keep it for 30 seconds. Next, third opening, 30 seconds. Okay, so calculate how many 30 seconds, huh? Mathematics. Again, fourth opening, 30 seconds. The last opening, 30 seconds. Class. I close it. Mathematics, genius. 5 opening, switch off and remove it. Okay, remove the lamp. So there are 5 opening. Okay, you can keep maximum 5 or 6, minimum 3. But usually in the testing procedure, you can take 5 openings. That is easy. Okay, so 5 openings, 30 minutes. How much total time?
2.5 minutes.
2.5 minutes exactly. Okay, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, so if I ask this opening or this opening, how much time it gets? This opening, how much time?
This one 30 seconds. This one
3
2 minutes.
6 seconds, 9 seconds.
2 minutes. This one. First one.
30 seconds. This one,
3 seconds.
Mafi 3 seconds.
No, 1 minute.
This one is 30 seconds.
All
Huh?
of them.
Yes.
This one is 30 seconds. This one,
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
good. Why is 2 minutes 30 seconds? Why it is 30?
You begin from...
Because I open first
From here.
30. Again
Yes.
30, 60 seconds, 1 minute. Again next opening, 1.5. 2 minutes.
Yes.
Now 2.5. So this first opening, exposure first opening, it is zyada time, more exposure time. So the more exposure time is 2.5 maximum. The minimum exposure time is 30 seconds, the last opening. Why it's a different time? Here zyada, here less. Why I should do like this?
Because you move,
Why I do this? Why I do this? I expose this area, the first opening, zyada time. I expose this opening. Exactly, good. Because I have to see the difference. Because here I have given more time, more exposure, more intensity. The dose is zyada here. Here the dose is less. But I don't know what is exact for the patient. I have to find out what is good. So this is how I test. I test him with different dosage, timing, 30 seconds interval. Okay. Then I remove this. Okay. Then what I tell? I tell the patient, okay, you can go on. Don't expose the area to the sun. Why expose area to sun?
Because already taken.
Already it's UVR. So if we expose to UVR, Mafi, good calculation. Mismatch. Problem, mushkil. So don't expose, cover the area, keep it like this. Okay, you can keep and you can go. Then after that, what you can do? Give one kitab. Okay. Alright. Okay, here I write. So when the patient is going home, we have to produce the chart. Okay. Here you can say 30 seconds and like that, maybe every 2 hours, not 30 seconds. 0 to 2 hours, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. So every 2 hours up to 24 hours you make. Okay, like a chart. Then here, circle. The same opening, what did you draw here? You draw here
1.
and give to the patient. Okay. So tell the patient, ask for any reaction every 2 hours. Every 2 hours. Suppose this is now what I have exposed time now, it's say 10 ashra dagiga.
Okay.
Till after to every 2 hours. This is first hour. For 1 to 2 hours you check for any reaction mojud in this opening. Mafi reaction, mafi entry. Suppose reaction here, change in color, tanning, pigmentation or erythema, any change you mark here. Okay, you mark here or you mark here. Okay, sometime immediately the tanning may occur for black or for more zyada melanin pigment mojud, immediate tanning will occur within first initial half an hour or 1 hour, something like that, if there is any problem in the skin. Okay, so remove all those things. Just ask him to mark it where the erythema is saying. So what is minimal erythemal dose? How you can find out? It appears the last.
30 seconds.
It appears mafi last. Don't go. It can appear anywhere. Minimal erythemal dose is the dosage exactly for patient. That means the erythema will appear the last. Suppose say here now 1, 2, 3. Here it's appeared. Say here 1. These are all erythemal reaction. Appeared at what? 0 to 2 hour, 2 to 4 hour gap. But this is 4 to 6 hour. This is the last one. Last appearance of erythema.
So it's obvious. It will appear in the first and the second.
No, it's not like that. It's not like it. It's depend upon the patient's skin. I'm just for your example marking here. Okay. Don't think every patient will have like this. No. Okay. Suppose for example the patient, all the appearances, the other opening here erythema and the last opening appear is erythema here. Then this around 24 hours, 20 to 24 hours, this erythema will disappear. Mafi mojud. Same. You have to mark that also at whichever it got disappeared.
So the patient.
Okay. So you have to teach the patient when it appear, when it got disappear, or maybe least appear. Least appear means come appear, less appear, or mafi mojud, gone, disappear. So you have to tell the patient. So that dose. Suppose if it is happening, if the patient is telling tomorrow, same time when he come to the department for UVR, he show the chart to you. So you from this chart you ask the patient, which appear last, which disappear first. These are all mafi disappear. Mojud, still mojud in patient. That means karban, zyada dosage, mafi dosage. Don't give this dosage. Give only this dosage. That means you expose the patient to make only erythemal reaction, then disappear within 24 hours. If you give more than this dosage, then you are going to make permanent tanning, skin permanent problem you are going to produce. So you don't want that. So what is the ideal? For example, this case, this is the duration. What is the duration here you expose?
2.5 minutes.
2.5 minutes maybe, for example. So that is the dosage, you call it as E1 or MED. You got it now?
Yes.
You
The
want.
patient do this in his home.
Sorry?
The patient do this in his
Yeah,
home.
patient, that's what. You give a chart, every 2 hours you tell the patient, see your reaction. Is there any reaction? Note down. Mafi reaction, mafi mushkil. If any reaction in all 5 holes, see. Okay. Usually what happens? The third opening will be the minimal erythemal dose. The third opening. Usually, I am telling, I am not saying 100% mojud for all patients. No. Usually, the practice, if you take 5 holes, the third opening will be the minimal erythemal dose. What is the time here, exposure here? For third opening?
1.5.
1.5.
Good. So usually 1.5 minutes, okay, will be the exposure time. That is the treatment time. If you expose more than this, what happen? Problem to the patient. Okay. So everybody is clear how to do the testing? I want anyone to tell the same procedure in Arabic, full Arabic. 2 words.
Yeah.
So that it's easy for you to learn. Come on.
Yeah.
Yes, anyone. Come, anyone.